Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe an interesting place you have been to with a friend. So the first question is, why do people need friends? In my view, people desire to be friends with other people for emotional support and to share their good and bad experiences. Also, having close friends enriches, enhances our lives and helps fulfill our fundamental need for social connection and belonging. We are social animals, so we love to connect with other people. Okay, we love to talk to them via text or call or just video chat. Second question is, how do you communicate with friends? Well, I communicate with my friends in various ways: texting, calling, video chatting. But my favorite is getting together in person to catch up face to face. There's nothing quite like quality in person time with good friends. Okay, so my favorite way of communication is face to face. Third question is, why don't some people like to socialize? I think there can be a few reasons why some people are averse to socializing. Maybe they are shy, socially anxious, and also being an introvert who needs more alone time. Different personalities simply have different social needs. Fourth question is, can talking with people improve social skills? Absolutely. The more you put yourself out there and interact with others, the better you get in your social skills. I think social skills are about making conversation, active listening, and developing a rapport. Also, these abilities can be sharpened through experience. Okay, so if you talk to a lot of people, you get better at social interaction. You get better to know about the other person, so you know what topics to press when you're talking to that person. Fifth and the last question is, does technology help people communicate better with others? I think technology has definitely made it easier to stay connected and communicate across distances. Tools like video calling, messaging apps, and social media have opened a new gateway for frequent interaction. However, an over reliance on technology can also hinder our ability to communicate well in person. Okay, over reliance on technology hampers your ability to talk face to face because you're quite anxious. While some people are more confident over the phone, they can be also underconfident when they talk face to face with the other person. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe an interesting place you have been to with a friend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button